All right, so I made this Instagram carousel in under 10 minutes using the new ChatGPT 4.0, and it's already one of my best performing posts. It has not even been 24 hours since I posted it. The craziest part is that I didn't even create this from scratch, okay? I just repurposed one of my old posts that I had and it just blew up. And in this video, I'm gonna show exactly how you can do the same. You'll learn how to create content that used to cost hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars with just one click. And also how to design YouTube thumbnails that used to take team hours in just a few minutes. So if that sounds good, drop a like and let's dive in. So first, I'm going to show you how to create 8 different content styles that are performing really well right now. And the best part, you can use existing content that you already posted and turn it into a stunning AI generated HD images for yourself. For example, I have an Instagram carousel I posted a while back, and now let's say I want to remake it using ChatGPT. So this carousel that you're seeing right now. Okay, so I'm on the ChatGPT, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import the first image of the carousel, and I'm gonna ask for a specific style I want it to be remade in, and I'm gonna show you how this process goes, okay? All right, so I'm importing the intro, and I'm gonna write this. Please remake this picture in movie poster style. So that's the first style that is very popular right now, is movie poster. And let me see what it comes up with. All right, so the generation has started. Already looking great, right? This is wild. It seriously looks like from a movie poster. That's crazy, man. Of course, I look a little bit older. So that is just one of the styles out of 8 styles, okay? So for example, this, let's say this was my, second image, this one: be bold, start a business, take that trip, post that video, failure is better than credit, right? So let's say I'm just gonna upload this and see. Now do the same thing for this one. Start cooking. Damn, that looks good. It looks better than original one. Okay, so that's just one of the styles. The second style, which is very popular, it's Pixar or Ghibli. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Pixar. Make this image using Pixar style, and I'm just gonna upload the same image, the front image again. I'm honestly like surprised on what is happening right now in the whole content creation space, and this new ChatGPT update is just crazy. You can literally start any faceless brand or build some sort of just any page on the internet. Everything that comes down to is just your creativity now. It's just like how you're gonna use it, right? It's up out there for you to use it essentially. Just look at what it does, right? Just look at what is going on here. It's just like mind blowing to me. Like I've never we never had this type of technology ever, right? Just look at this. What is going on? It's crazy. This one is my 8th slide. So I'm just gonna add this and let's see what it cooks up. Now do the same thing. This one. I honestly never been hooked to some sort of technology like this ever. It's just like makes me want to sit there and build something using the power of this machine essentially. You can launch ecom brands, you can launch anything. And by the way, a lot of you guys ask me what are these glasses. It's an potentially upcoming ecom brand that I'm working on right now. Obviously I'm going to use this machine to like do everything, do the design, for packaging, for the website, for everything, because it's just like generally like feels like a cheat code or something. Let's see what it comes up with. Bro, no way it looks so good. No way. Now I'm saying, guys, like if you are a creator, an existing creator already, and you had some sort of carousels that went viral for you, you can just drop them and remake the same content, repurpose the same content. Like imagine how powerful this is for e-commerce brands, for anyone selling physical products or even digital products. Doesn't really matter. Like look at this. Like look at this. It's insane, right? All right, I'm just gonna drop another last one style from the list, and I'm gonna then reveal the whole style list for you, the whole 8 styles. So the last one on the list is going to be Ghibli style. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's called Ghibli. Remake this image in Ghibli style. So I'm gonna come out like a Simpsons character? No, more like an anime character, right? And then you would just, drop all of the remaining carousel pictures into this machine and ask them to remake them. So this is crazy, and I'm showing right now all of the remaining styles, all of the 8 styles that you can use. What you would do is you would simply write remake this image and insert the style. So for example, there is character style, there is manga, oil on canvas, comic book, Picasso. So you would just write, for example, remake this image in Picasso style, right? So that's it. Now this comic book style, let me tell you, this used to cost hundreds of dollars to design just one post in this comic book style. Now, my friend actually showed me this trick, and I was like, damn, this is wild. I haven't tried it on my own content yet, but I'm definitely gonna do it on my second page. Right now on the spot, I'm just simply gonna create this type of content on the spot, just using ChatGPT, okay? So let's say I'm just gonna drop this cartoonish carousel into ChatGPT, and I'm gonna say this: make something similar but change the main character to look like me, the guy with the red shades, and change the topic to explain how imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. I'm just completely brainstorming and freestyling right now. So I'm gonna add some of the examples of my face so they can recognize it and turn this into like my own cartoonish thing, like comic book post. And let's see what it comes up with. Okay, let's see how it's gonna come up with this, because the hook is, I don't know if the hook is gonna relate to this main topic that I asked for. Okay, there's already a first thing I can see was changed. Okay, so meanwhile, video creators, cameras, gear, studios, okay, they're spending money on cameras, gear, and studios. What are you doing? Imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. Doesn't really make much sense, okay? So I might need to give him some more better prompt here. Please represent other creators spending money on expensive gear, and then below show me using just my phone to create content and keep everything the same as it is. Hopefully it's gonna fix the problem. And you know, this perfectly suits my second page on Instagram, creatorworld.io, where I kind of like have this educational brand. Okay, I already see a grammar mistake here. Of course, you can literally remove the text on Photoshop and remake your own headline here. So I would need to write, keep the woman asking the question, what are you doing? But essentially you get a gist of it, right? You would just definitely need to play around with the prompts, and you're gonna be able to come out with something crazy right there. So it's just, again, I was just like experimenting with this on the spot. I wasn't prepared for remaking this cartoon, but you get the point. You just take existing cartoon and then you use prompts to redesign it. Now let's talk about thumbnails. All right, so these things used to cost real money, and it's taken a long time to make a good thumbnail. Now you can make professional looking thumbnails in just minutes with this one. I already done it, so it's not gonna be complete freestyle mode, but I'm gonna freestyle a little bit. So I'm just gonna show you how I would go about it. So first things, what I need to do is I would need to go to YouTube and see what is being recommended. So I can see that this thumbnail looks wild. It looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just copy this thumbnail into ChatGPT, and I'm literally gonna ask to remake similar looking thumbnail, just change the person's face into my face. Take this thumbnail and remake it the same way, just switching the person's face in the thumbnail to my face, the man with red shades. And I'm gonna insert some of my pictures for more reference. All right, started loading. Can already see the thumbnail colors are the same, making my hairstyle look a little bit different for sure. Okay, I can see them pretty similar here in this picture. Whoa, dude, telling you guys, this is the future. This is insane. Whoa, this looks even better. Let's look at it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, you're gonna definitely enjoy this video where I talk about how to make viral carousels on Instagram. Essentially more stuff you need to know, how to make your carousels appear in the Reels tab, all that good stuff. And make sure you go watch it. And thank you so much for watching.